Hey Tamar, this is a quick screencast to just run through where I'm up to with Xero so that you've got an idea and you can see visually on screen where things are at. So I've got a trial account for Paws Pets Retreat for Xero, and you've gone into Westpac and linked up the accounts. So I think what I'm looking at here is two accounts that this one and this one I don't need, and this one here I do need. These two here, it's asking me to reconcile. If I click on these, it's activated. The bank feed is activated for this account. I could disconnect it, as this one I could as well. Paws Holding, on the other hand, get bank feeds. So this one hasn't been activated for bank feeds as yet. If I click on that, it just takes me to a support page where it basically talks me through add your bank accounts in Xero, check they're eligible, then apply online via Westpac Live Online Banking. So it seems that perhaps I've got accounts that I don't need, and I've got an account that I do need that still needs to be activated at Westpac Online Banking. So that's quickly it, where I'm up to at the moment, and I'll talk to you soon about it. Okay, cheers.